Margaret was 70 years old and living on Social Security when she noticed something heartbreaking. Kids in her neighborhood were falling behind in school. Remote learning wasn't working. Parents were struggling to help. She had two choices: mind her own business or do something about it. Margaret opened her garage and put up a simple sign: free tutoring. All welcome. Every day after lunch, kids would show up with laptops and homework. She used her own grocery money to buy supplies. Her neighbors thought she was crazy. Why sacrifice when you can barely afford your own bills? But something amazing started happening. Test scores in her area began climbing. Month after month, the numbers kept going up. The school district noticed. They tracked the improvement back to one garage on Maple Street. They offered Margaret a consulting position. Then something even better happened. Her methods worked so well, they made her director of a new district-wide program. At 72, Margaret had her dream job and a steady paycheck. One garage, one choice to help. Everything changed.